What's going on, folks? We are about to tour the Tricoast property. This is a prevost model home. You're going to absolutely love this one. 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 1 primary downstairs, quartz countertops, all the above. So it's right there, as you can see. So if you want more information about this one, link in the description below, and hope you enjoy the tour. So this 2-story model is going to be 2,848 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and you're going to have 2 bathrooms upstairs, 1 downstairs in the primary, plus the half bath right here to the left. And you're going to have your covered porch, your covered patio. You want to stick around because the attic is in an interesting location. I think you may like it. But as soon as you walk in, you're going to have the luxury vinyl plank. You're also going to have the 5-inch baseboards, and you have wooden beams in the living room. You're going to love this property. So stick around, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the tour. All right, folks, so that's the end of this property tour. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this Tricoast property. And also, if you want more property tours and you want to be the first to know about that, hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, like this video if you found value in it. And if you want more information about properties here in Katy, Texas, link in the description below. And I'll see you guys on the next video.